So that's a KTM video just wrapped up there. We have actually downstairs got a very interesting bike on the dyno. It is the BMW F900R. It's come to us with a restriction of the A2 license, so it's making 44 brake horsepower at the back wheel. We're just going to do some runs on it now and see if we can get the bike running properly and get rid of that restriction. Well, that actually took some getting to the bottom of. BMW had been rather sneaky in hiding a lot of limiters on this bike, and what we thought was going to be a fairly easy job actually turned out into a full day venture. We started off, we took off all the limits off the bike. The gentleman has been waiting patiently in the reception area downstairs. It's got a long way to go back into London, some 240 miles south from us, but we have got it wrapped up. And you can see now at 100% the fueling is perfect, but we've liberated 54 brake horsepower. It's gone up from 44 brake horsepower at the back wheel to 98. You can see here at 25% throttle there's not that much difference in the way that the power is restricted. The red, we've actually just taken off some of the limiters again. We let it produce its power in a linear manner. Again, we fix the fueling on the bike. Makes it run and respond on the throttle absolutely as it should do. At 50%, again we fix the fueling, and the bike actually makes, at 50% throttle, when it's restricted, the same power that it makes when it's at 100% throttle. Gets to 44 brake horsepower at 5,800 RPM and then just plateaus off because that's what the bike's restricted to do. Cannot make more than that at the back wheel. Now at 50% we've just got a linear line that just goes up in absolute proportion, pretty much 1-to-1. The more you open the throttle, the more power it gives you, and the higher up the RPM range it goes, the more power it gives you. If you do have a restricted F900R or a non-restricted F900R and you really want to optimize the performance that that bike is capable of, if you're not local to us, you can indeed post the ECU to us, and one of our map writers will write you a map to liberate the power and make your bike run correctly. Please do hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon. It really does help our channel out and it keeps you notified of any new content that we bring into the channel.